Hey guys, I'm back with another banger. Today we're gonna install some permacan stone right around this curtain here. And later on, this is gonna be stucco, so we're gonna put a sill right here. We're gonna come up around 4.5 inches down from this brick here, and then stone right along the entire front section. Let me give you a walk too and show you. So we're gonna go with stone along here. We're also gonna come right in here with stone as well, sill right underneath. Coming around here, we have stone right around here. We're gonna wrap this stone around this section. I'm gonna go all the way up here with stone. And right in here gonna be stucco. Right along this section, go all the way up, gonna be stone. Coming around here, we're gonna have stone wrapping around this corner here. All right, so that's all we have here to do today. With no further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before we jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Let's get started. Okay, so we're installing our weeping plastic now, guys. You see I fold my corner. You want to fold it so that way you kind of make a ribbon. Just gonna go right through. So this is how the weeping plastic should look. Now we're gonna come over with our Tyvek, around 6 inches from the bottom, come up here, and then we're gonna tape this in. That's coming up now. So the way we want to stack our stone, once you put it down to install it, you want to put the same size on the same size, like just for instance here. So whenever you go to pick them up, it's easier for you. So we're gonna stack all these sizes on one. So once we finish, it should look something like this. So you have my weeping plastic, my Tyvek tape around the seam. Now we're ready to install our stone. So the first thing I want to do here, I want to measure down 4.5 inches from the top. Maybe 4 3/4. Our stone is 11.5. So we're going to measure 11.5 down. Plus our 1/2 inch joint. And we're gonna keep on doing this right until we reach down to the foundation ledge. Reason for this, just in case we need to put a cut in order to reach up to our sill, we want to put the cut down at the foundation ledge here rather than put it up top there. We're gonna go ahead and level our stone, level it across, same result as in plumbing it. We're also gonna level right up to our wall here, and I have to cut small pieces for here as well. Just gonna measure this to see what we have to cut in order to reach up to this piece here. I also want to check it this way. Put my level just to make sure that this wall and this wall going to be in line. Took a mark, just need to measure down 4.5 inches, and we need to cut this one here. like to put some brick ties from the low. For head joint here, we want to have half an inch. Also for a bed joint, we're looking for around a half an inch as well. Get it nice and level. First goes. Once we go around 3 feet, we're gonna break this one right now. Just laying this last one right here. Then we're gonna break our bond by putting a different size stone. So this, as you see, we're changing size right now because we're breaking our band. So you want to make sure that this stone is level with this one. It's very important to get it right down to the same level as that one. Now that we have around 3 feet 5 inches here, we're gonna break it by putting a different sizes here now. We're gonna put a big one right in the middle here to break this bad boy up. Later on, we're gonna make some hole, approximately every 30 inches or so for a weeping hole. But for now, we're just gonna go to and fill them solid, just because I want my first stone to sit sturdy on my foundation ledge. Afterwards, I'm gonna use my slicker and clean out the mortar, so that way, if there's any water in the bottom there, it will run right through that weeping hole that we're gonna leave later on. Okay, so right here, I'm just gonna use a 45 nail in the corner here, just to use as a gauge or as a guide to maintain the straightness of the corner. So just gonna put it right in the corner.
Make it clap, clap. Make it clap, clap. Make it clap, clap. Make it clap, clap.
So guys, when you're measuring for your cut, you want to hold your tape right to the edge. So this should be 7.5. You always want to make sure that this stone and this one are flush with each other. You want to have the same size joint here. You see I have a small here. Right on top of the small, it's asking for a medium. So here I have my medium right here. It's a medium beside the medium. So clearly it's telling you here that you need to put a small to bring it up to the same level as this one. You want to stay away from no less than 4 inches. So 4 inches is the smallest piece you want to have in your wall. Otherwise, it won't look good in my opinion. This is the piece I was saying. You want to stay away from putting smaller than 4 inches. 4 inches is the smallest piece you want to put in your wall. Later on up in the video, guys, I'll go over the tree rule of laying stone if you haven't already learned them. Oh, it worked more than. Pardon me?
There's no wet cut, eh?
I have wet cut, but you can't for this one because if it's wet, then the stone gonna look messy. Sure, we shall work. Go ahead and use your wire, bro. section here.
Keep that on the back. Keep that behind us.
Brick tile. Just use a wedge down here to bring it up to the level of where I want to have the sill. Once it go right up to where I want to have it, then I use my slicker to fill the space that underneath the bottom. Okay guys, well there you have it. If you get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more comment video like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.